Hello, it's the Ed Shed. And it is goddamn hot here. I mean, it is really, really warm. And I am feeling the heat. So I've taken my top off to reveal my buff-toned workout figure.
One for the ladies.
Yeah. And I've also got one of the last can of Thatcher's Haze. So we've been flat out. We've done lots. You can see what we've done. We've done everything you could think of doing. The only thing we haven't done is...
Not much over there.
Yeah, we haven't done much over there. Well, I have put the bonnet caps on, which I've been fine with. We've got the catches, we've done the screws, we've done that, we've done the door rubbers, we've done some of the sill trims, we've done the thing, we've got the rev cutter speedo going in, we've got all that lot connected up, we've done the driver's seat, we've done the catch on the boot lid, we've got obviously E Type, we've got the catch on the bodywork sorted out, we've got that bit there done, we've got a few bits that aren't, a bit scrubby, but look, you can't do it all. That was not done in a day. We are going to try, the plan was get all the interiors so we get a seat in there, and then we're going to put the steering wheel on, and then we're going to get up in the air, and I'm going to try and do an exhaust system. But before I do that, I am going to start it up again. So there will be a start video, which should be coming on.
Not sure whether or not the start video will be done by me today, or whether or not it'll go on later on tonight, obviously.
Why is that?
Well, because I'd have to do it on the phone, wouldn't I?
Yeah, that's right. Start it up on the phone, drive it on and drive it out. That seat's in there. Before it might be loud, but it won't be any louder than the Marcus.
Loud pipes save lives.
Yeah, that's what I said. Anyway, so all I can say is it's coming up. We're getting there. Hopefully, we're going to be ready. We are. That's we get. We're a bit short on help today, aren't we? We've lost two of our helpers have decided to abandon us. Well, three of them actually. So it's just Lee and I at the moment. I mean, it's hard work. I've run out of cider.
He's run out of cider.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
So if anybody fancies doing a run to Tesco's for us.
If anyone's local and they want to do
a
a run to Tesco's and buy him some cider, or if you're local,
send me some Thatcher's Gold Bar, just eat.
Or if you're local and you've got any mechanical aptitude, please feel free to come round and actually try out put this thing together.
Put the bloody exhaust off.
Because
we're running, like Dale said, we're running out of time.
Catch you later.
See you soon. Bye.